Hello everybody. Today we're dealing with ways of expressing past habits. Ways of expressing past habits. We have two forms in this field. Used to plus base form and would plus base form. Let's have examples. I used to walk. He used to swim. In a question, did you used to walk? Did she used to swim? In a negative form, they didn't used to walk. It didn't used to swim. Used to plus base form is used to. Number one, to describe permanent past states. For example, I used to have curly hair when I was younger. Secondly, to describe past habits. For example, he used to play football, but now he plays tennis. Thirdly, to describe repeated actions in the past. For instance, we used to eat out every Thursday, but we don't anymore. Let's come to would plus base form. What about the examples? In affirmative sentence, I would walk. He would swim. In the question, we start with would plus subject plus base form. Would you walk? Would she swim? In a negative form, we say they wouldn't walk. It wouldn't swim. Would plus base form is used to describe past habits. For instance, my grandmother would always wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. To describe typical behavior in the past. Every night, Linda would turn on the radio, sit down on the sofa, and drink a hot cup of coffee after dinner. Let's come to the last thing, which is about past intentions, which is formed by was, were, going to plus base form. Examples: I was going to walk. He was going to swim. In the question, were you going to walk? Was she going to swim? In the negative form, they weren't going to walk. It wasn't going to swim. What about the function or the use of was, were, going to? Was, were, going to plus base form is used to talk about actions somebody intended to do in the past, but it probably didn't. For example, I was going to visit my cousins over the weekend, but they came to visit me instead. Thank you, goodbye.